Ever struggled with weak radio signals or interference in your GM vehicle? The culprit might be your radio antenna cable. The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Radio Antenna Extension Cable is designed to restore crystal clear reception by connecting your radio antenna directly to your entertainment system without compromise. This isn't just any replacement cable. It's a GM recommended, factory quality part built to meet the exact specifications of your vehicle. That means it fits perfectly, works seamlessly, and lasts as long as the original. These coaxial cables are specially shielded to block out outside electrical interference, so your radio signals come through strong and clear every time. I've seen firsthand how this cable makes a difference, especially when swapping out radios or repairing damaged antenna connections. Unlike generic replacements, the ACDelco cable installs effortlessly and performs flawlessly, delivering the quality and reliability you expect from GM parts. Users across the US praise it for being a hassle-free, perfect factory replacement that just works, no fuss, no muss. What you get is peace of mind knowing your radio system will function exactly as it should, with durability that stands up to daily driving conditions. Plus, the price is right, much more affordable than dealer alternatives without sacrificing quality. If you're upgrading your radio or replacing a damaged cable, this extension cable is worth a look. If that's you, consider making the switch to the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Radio Antenna Extension Cable. It's engineered for fit, form, and function, ensuring your vehicle's entertainment system stays connected and interference-free. Try it when you're ready to experience reliable, factory-grade radio performance again.